2016 Ford Explorer SUV can be purchased for between $21,000 and $32,000. Although it is an inexpensive option, buyers should avoid it because it has more issues than other years. Owners appreciate the vehicle's smooth ride, class-leading fuel efficiency, and quick acceleration provided by the upgraded EcoBoost V6. However, there are some drawbacks to the 2016 Explorer, like rear visibility. When compared to other SUVs, it performs horribly. There are numerous engine problems, and the technology is challenging to use. There are lots of problems related to the 2016 model year, according to the Car Complaints website. The SUV has even got a stamp, "Beware a clunker." So, let's take a closer look at the 2016 Ford Explorer issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. The 2016 Ford Explorer's issues with water pump leaks and exhaust odor are made worse by the lack of recalls. Comparing the 2016 Explorer to the 2015 and 2017 models reveals more issues. Compared to other full-size SUVs, it also has more problems. Engine problems. The 2016 Explorer's engine problems are the most frequently reported problem. The most frequent reason for the wrench light to illuminate, according to owners, is throttle body failures. The throttle body can cost more than $500 to replace. Steering problems. Owners also mentioned steering issues, including a complete loss of power steering. Depending on which component fails, the only way to fix it is to replace the entire steering rack or power steering assembly. Paint issues. On the 2016 Explorer, paint problems are also frequent. Reports of panel paint bubbling and peeling have been made. The affected panels must be repainted as the only remedy. Recalls. The 2016 Explorer is subject to 11 recalls, which is more than the average for a vehicle of its age. The parking brake, fuel tank straps, engine block heater, driver seat, wheel hub bearings, suspension toe links, and roof rails are among the products that have been recalled. The suspension toe links are the most serious because if they break, the likelihood of an accident increases. Quick overview. The 2016 Explorer gains an updated exterior, a 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine that is optional, better audio controls, and a power liftgate. According to J.D. Power, reliability ratings are below average. Compared to prior years, more issues have been reported. There are 3 engines available. The EcoBoost V6 in the Sport and Platinum models is the most potent, and the 4-cylinder EcoBoost is the most economical. The second best out of 8 full-size SUVs in terms of fuel economy. It can reach 22 combined miles per gallon. Government crash tests gave the vehicle a 5-star rating for safety, which is above average for its class. Based on customer feedback, the 2016 Explorer is rated poorly in its class. Even though it has many updates, it still belongs to the 4th generation, which debuted in 2011. Given the below-average reliability ratings, it would be wiser to choose a different SUV or a different model year. How long will the 2016 Ford Explorer last? Average for its class, a 2016 Ford Explorer ought to be able to travel over 200,000 miles with proper care. The Explorer has more mechanical issues than other SUVs, which increases the cost of maintenance. RepairPal calculates that annual maintenance expenses will be around $685. Is it good? No, the 2016 Explorer is not a good SUV, according to our research, which included 849 owner reviews from 15 automotive and government websites. The 2017 model is a superior option and has fewer issues. Fuel-efficient engine options and a comfortable suspension are a couple of the advantages. The infotainment system is unresponsive, and there are far too many mechanical issues. Overall, there are better options if you want an SUV, such as more recent Explorer models.